Oh yeah, thank you for watching. Thank you for watching. Wow. Wow, we have over here cooking ribeye steakhouse. Look. Wow. Next one coming up. Oh wow. And then we have the mushrooms. The mushrooms. Can't have enough room. Mushrooms are so beautiful. See? They're cooked nice. You see? Completely cooked. And then we have over here, mashed potatoes. Can't go wrong with mashed potatoes. See over here next to it? We got our eating platter. Eating platter. Ribeye steak. Big portobello mushrooms. They got smaller. Believe me, when you buy them, they look much bigger. Yeah, baby?
Oh, yeah.
Mushrooms look much bigger?
Mm-hmm.
And then you cook them, they get smaller, yeah? It's like they're ripping us off. Right? Ripping us off, ripping us off. Wow. Looks so nice and delicious. So tender ribeye steak. And mushrooms, portobello mushrooms, and mashed potatoes. Mashed potatoes, mashed potatoes. Looks so nice. So unbelievably delicious. So delicious, superstitious. Thank you for watching, thank you for watching. God bless you, we appreciate it. We're gonna eat, I hope it's delicious. I wish we could share, but it's over here. Thank you guys for watching, and we love you. And please check out our other videos, maybe subscribe. We really appreciate it. Thank you so much. God bless. God bless. And amen, we're ready to eat. Thank you so much.